Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So if you see the next drugs, hyperosmotics used in glaucoma. Hyperosmotics used in glaucoma are mannitol and glycerol are the hyperosmotics used in glaucoma. These will dehydrate the viscous and thus they can decrease the intraocular pressure. They are not used commonly, they are rarely used. They can cause side effects like they can cause decompression in congestive heart failure, and they can also precipitate the pulmonary edema. So they are not commonly used.
thank you and thank you for watching.